The Kutch region of Gujarat is home to a variety of arts and craft, and one such unique tradition of decorating walls of homes with mud and clay is Lippan Kam. It is basically mud relief work that also incorporates mirrors. Lippan or mud washing is done on inner walls of houses using mixture of clay and camel dung by making intricate patterns using glass pieces to create designs. This form of art uses mixture of ceramic for different surfaces, shaping clay to create various designs, mirror pieces and acrylic paints. Traditionally, dung and clay are mixed in equal proportions for the dough, and the walls are moistened so that the dough sticks to them. First, the borders are created and then the decorative motifs are made. The dough is rolled into a cylindrical stripes of varying thicknesses and used to make precise patterns on the surface, as it's not possible to craft murals with traditional techniques for urban resistance. Penkraft has introduced a contemporary way to create this art on various decorative and household surfaces. With a proper understanding of the process to create Lippan art and giving it an artistic look, you can make your personalized designs. Once you master the art of making these articles, you are set on the part of gifting or selling them and running your own business. In the Lippan Art Basic course, you learned about different surfaces of this art form and how to prepare them. Then learn how to make ceramic mixture for different surfaces, mixing of clay, making of the artwork, shaping the clay, creating compositions. You have thereafter created this beautiful art form on tea coasters, round and square MDF, canvas and photo frame. During this Penkraft Lippan Art Advanced Course, you will build up on your knowledge of this art form further. Learn to create this art form on wall murals, set of 3 3D Jharokha, flower cut MDF, wall clock, tissue holder.